Some tiles are unique, like this one, and deserve a little extra care. My name is Craig and I'm here to serve you through your tile project. And today I want to tell you about the Division series. This is a unique 8-inch by 16-inch tile. It's considered a 3D tile because it has some ridges and some flutes in it, which makes it look amazing. If you're enjoying this material, please do me a favor, click that like button. Another unique attribute to this tile is it also has pre-scored grout joints. My number one question about this is, what do I do with these pre-scored grout joints? Well, the answer is you just grout them as normal. These joints are shallow and you will need to grout them with a small aggregate cement grout or a urethane grout. I took the time and tested several different grouts on this and all of them work, but the best looking ones are ones with small aggregates. The trick to setting this tile is to set the joints between the tile the same size as the pre-scored joints. This will give your installation a seamless look and it'll look like a unique 4-inch by 8-inch wall. Because of the 3D nature of this tile, grout carefully. Stay on top of your grout, don't let it get caught in the ridges, and clean maybe a little sooner than normal. This will help keep your installation clean and you won't run the risk of grout drying in some of the crevices. This is an amazing tile. It looks great once installed. If you have further questions, please let us know, but enjoy the Division series. And as always, let's keep learning together and tile the world. I picked this next video here just for you. And don't forget, before you click over, like and subscribe and go see what that's about.